It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. Be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46:10. Be blessed. Hey lovely people, my name is Afi Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my channel, hey, how are you doing? You are most definitely welcome. Today's video, we're going to be doing an aloe vera leave-in conditioner. So I went to Whole Foods and I found me a buddy. Look at this buddy here. Aren't you pointy? Your personality is sharp. Okay, I got some aloe vera and I'm about to turn them into my leave-in conditioner. This is actually my first time using the actual aloe vera plant. I normally use aloe vera juice and that works really well. Something about organic stuff makes it a lot better. That's what I've heard. That's what the streets and the mama and them are saying. So we're gonna turn this into a leave-in conditioner. From the videos that I've watched, people are peeling them off and scraping it, and we're gonna do that too. Don't stab me now. You come off pretty sharp. Anyway, my jokes are starting to die out. All right, let's go. This bottle right here is what I use to put my aloe vera juice. What I mix in here is usually my oils, which are castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and the main choice oil. So I have a video on how I do all those stuff, so I'll leave it down below. And yeah, so now that we introduced the bottle in the club, we're going to cut this open, get to know you. Your sharp personality doesn't always dictate your character. Sorry. So I'm gonna use this right here, and we're just going to cut all the bad friends, you know? So it makes it really easy for you to cut. Ah! Okay. So now that we cut it, it looks like this. This is actually my first time seeing aloe vera plant face to face. Do people eat this? The inside of aloe vera. As you open up the plant, you see all of these organs and what it contains. So yeah, we're just gonna scrape all this and scrape all this into a bowl. Let me go get that bowl. Use this bowl right here. And I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I don't think of, wow. You might want to use something sharper than a wooden spoon. I thought it was going to be a lot softer, but it's not. All right. Don't get sharp with me now. You get it? No. Okay. Mama and Nan gonna be so mad at me for messing up the kitchen counter like this. Woo! Let's not play with the knife like that. Mama gonna be so mad. All right now. So next I'm gonna get this very light glass wave cap, which is kind of like a wave cap. And I'm gonna put the aloe vera in there, and I'm just gonna squeeze all that juice out of this hole right here. Hopefully this works. Maybe this idea wasn't the smartest idea. I guess I will get the strainer. All right, science trick number 2, the strainer. All right, this ain't working either. Okay, so none of this bull crap is working. Let's try a blender, shall we? We have blended the aloe vera, and I'm going to open up this bottle right here, and I'm just going to try to pour it in here so we kind of get like both vitamins, everything in there. Oh gosh. So we're going to use this thing right here to keep everything in place. Just watch it go down. How much of it can I take? So it looks like it's up to here. I think I can fit it all in there. I don't know. So I wasn't expecting for Vera to act the way she did. I gave her some time and she cooled off a little bit, and I think she's ready to come back on set and get the job done. So Vera, there she is. I have a little bit of my oils in there. I don't think I'm gonna add any more because oils seems to be a lot. Actually I am gonna add some. I'm just gonna get that, pour it in here. This is a lovely science experiment. So basically this is just like my extra leave-in conditioner that I like to apply in my hair every night, and it really does work wonders when it comes to your hair. So the leftover of that, I'm going to put it in here just to keep it secure. This smells pretty good actually. It has like that really nice, I don't know, je ne sais pas, je ne sais quoi. But yeah, I'm gonna get the leftover and I'm just going to, don't laugh at my prison braids, okay? I'm just gonna get the leftover and I'm going to put it like this. Whoa, whoa there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't act up, Cynthia. Hold on. So we're gonna keep this in here. Wipe me down, because I'm gonna wipe me down. Lock it in, because we pop lock and then we drop it. And then, yeah, that's about it. So next I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine using aloe vera. So I like to also use it as a toner. That's what you guys see in that bottle right there. And next I'm going to take the braids out and I'm going to spray with water at first and then apply the aloe vera into my hair. I really focus on massaging it into my hair. I have low porosity hair, so every product that I put in my hair, it tends to sit before it actually kicks in. So when I do apply any product, I focus on my massaging point because it actually kicks it in a lot better than when I just apply the product without without massaging it and working it into my hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, next I'm going to braid the hair, and I do the same thing in every single section. I like to do the section version because I feel like when you separate your hair into section, it's easier for you to detangle. You know how much of the product you put in, and you actually know that the product that you put in is actually in your hair, if that makes sense. I use aloe vera for just about everything. Like I use it as a toner, I use it as a pre-poo, I use it as a protein treatment where I mix it into my avocado as a protein treatment, and I use it as a leave-in conditioner, and I've seen a big difference. So next I'm going to apply my African Best Super Growth grease. I absolutely love this because it does a tremendous job with my hair growth. It's been doing the best thing ever to my hair. What? It's amazing. It's basically what I'm trying to say. That's it. Okay, so I've talked about how important it is to keep your OGs close to you because your OGs were the one that was helping you before you knew anything about hair. It still gave your hair that moisture. So I like to keep my African Best as my right hand man, and this product is amazing. And yeah, so my nighttime routine so happened to pop into this video right here. I fight with my chapstick every once in a while. You guys see it. And that's about it. We put the bonnet on, make sure it's satin, and we go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.